Okay, so it was summer yesterday, and now it's winter! Brr! I should have put a shirt on. But you know, cold is my weather. All right, let me guess. Ew, what a surprise, it's freezing. Look at that. Let's see how warm it is in here, because it's freezing. This is the best part. Coming out of the cold into the warm. We got a solid 40 degrees in here. Not bad. My macro greens are growing like crazy. The fish are swimming. The mycelium is colonizing. All right. I love it. Let's see over here, 44 degrees. Not too shabby. I could sleep in here. I was thinking of doing a video where I sleep in here for a week and just eat nothing but microgreens and mushrooms. Anyways, please like, subscribe, share, and enjoy. Thank you.